Hello world, I'm going to demonstrate how we can leverage the power of Web3 technologies to enable lifelong learning for communities at scale. Whether an artist interested in learning new technologies as new mediums of expression, or a group of teachers, scientists, researchers who wants to learn new tools to advance your careers, there are things that we can offer to others, and there are also things that we can learn from other people, even across disciplines. So this platform aims to enable and incentivize all this so that we can truly help each other acquire the skills that we need in order to succeed. Now let's take a look at how this platform built on Solana is enabling these lifelong learning communities. So what you're looking at here is a demo that has already been deployed to Heroku app and it's actually functional. And there are really three main user categories that we need to concern ourselves with here for the purpose of the demonstration. You'll have the admin, who will be minting the tokens that will be used in circulation within a community. And then there is the organizer, who will be putting up missions for the community to complete so that upon completion, the user can actually earn those tokens. Right? So last but not least, the user is able to complete certain tasks or certain missions for organizers in order to earn tokens. And of course, in the long run, they'll be able to spend these tokens to actually put up their own missions to learn something else from the community, or maybe even to put up some requests for help that they might have. So now let's go into the admin's account. And you'll be able to see that there's already been some previous demos that was done for the purpose of this demonstration. Let's create a new token. And the token is created. And let's create a supply, right? So suppose let's mint 5,000 of this token that can be given out to the community. Of course, in practice, how you design this tokenomics is really up to it's something to be figured out. And when you look at the history, you will see that this particular account has been created. There is 0 balance, so you need to refresh this. And here you go. So these are all written onto the DevNet chain already. So now let's log in as an organizer and request for those tokens that we can use to give out to the community. And here you go. You can request for this token. Let's request for 1,000, for instance. And we will also create a task for people to complete. So as an organizer, you can create learning missions or tasks that you need users to complete, and upon completion, they can earn those tokens, right? So for the purpose of demonstration, let's create another test task to select projects, set the maximum number of participants. And of course, in practice, a lot of these things can be changed depending on the specific need. Let's just use some examples to populate this task requirement. So the mission that we would like people to complete here is actually to help us select a few projects for exhibition. Okay. Let's just put in 6. So now the task has been created, and we're going to log in as a user to complete the task. So again, I've already pre-created that account. You can also try it out by signing up on this platform. So I will just log in to complete. Okay, and you can go to Office to check out what's available. Right, so you see this test task that we have just completed. You can select 5. For instance, as part of this task requirement. So we're done for now, right? Now the organizer can go into their dashboard to look at what the user submitted and then send them a token of appreciation, like literally a token. So now let's go into the organizer's account. So when you are logged in, you'll be able to see that this particular user has submitted, right? I can send them a note of appreciation. So far, I can only send the token that was already in my account. So when the admin logs in, you'll be able to see, oh, it seems like I've actually already requested for this previously. So anyway, let's just send over 1,000. And you will see that this should go from 5,000 to 4,000. Give it some time to update. So there it is. And again, all these activities are on chain, right? So it's all public and transparent. I think we just need to give it some time to update. There it is. So now the organizer can send those tokens over to reward the community, right? And here you can see that the tokens has been transferred to our wallet, the organizer's wallet, which is different from the admin's wallet. So now we can reward the respondent. Let's give them 500, for instance. And now, as the user, you can log into your account and actually send it to your wallet right away. So you can imagine that this is what the user has earned for helping with something, right? Maybe helping someone to learn something, or maybe helping to do some data annotation. And you can send it to your Phantom wallet right away. And you can open your wallet to be sure. This token is HBQ, right? And here it is. So you will also be able to send this to anyone else that you would like to already, right? So that's it. That's the end of our demo. So I've demonstrated that we're able to mint and transfer tokens between different accounts that are actually written on chain to demonstrate what Web3 capabilities can bring to bear on lifelong learning. In practice, we can also automate a lot of these transfers and interactions via smart contracts. And in fact, the design of the demand and supply of the whole tokenomic system is also entirely up to us. So I hope that this has demonstrated what is possible and really inspire interest in bringing this to life. Thank you.